Welcome back, everyone. Today I've got some more Pokemon cards to open. Basically, I thought I would just get into some more Chilling Reign, some more Vivid Voltage. I got one pack of Vivid Voltage. I just picked it up from somewhere. I don't even know where I got it from. I've got a packet of Shining Fates in one of these little tins as well. We'll give that a go. I basically am running a little bit more of a substantial sort of set this time. I've got a microphone, so the voice should be a little bit better. The set is a little bit more the same. I've got the Moltres in the background, which was quite cool. We got that Moltres last time. I was a little less excited last time because I didn't realize how much it was actually worth. So it turns out it's about 160, 180 bucks, so which is pretty good. It actually sort of poked me into thinking, let's try and get another one. So I've ordered a bunch more Chilling Reign, so we're going to get into that as well. I've got a big old stack of Chilling Reign here. Vivid Voltage in that tin. So I think straight away that we'll just get straight into the tin. Oh, and stuff flies everywhere when you open tins. So it stayed really square. Let me get rid of this. Alrighty, Chilling Reign. That's not Chilling Reign, it's Shining Fates. Not Chilling Reign. Alright. So these code cards are around the wrong way as well. Last time the Chilling Reign ones are around the other way, which is a little bit weird. Alright. So Energy, Floatzel, Rotom, Rusted Shield, Shinx, Trapinch, Yanma, Weasel, Grookey, a Ditto V. I haven't got a Ditto V, but that's quite cool. Make sure it's in frame. Looks really nice. And Volcanion. And sadly, I forgot to bring my sleeves again. So we're just going to have to look after these ones really carefully. So sit that one there. Get rid of these. Another Shining Fates. Now while I'm opening these, just thought I'd give you a little bit of a rundown on what I'm trying to achieve here. Basically, I'm just trying something new most of all. Also just trying to sort of, I guess when I was a kid, Pokemon was really popular, and I don't really think that kids these days really have the same appreciation for it that we had. Like, we would go to school and we would open these things up in the playground and just swap, and we'd do dumb stuff like we'd swap Charizards for a bulk of energies because you just wanted a lot of cards. So basically just trying to open up and not so much show kids, but then I want to pass on a lot of this stuff to the kids. I got a lot of people that I work with that I just give their kids the cards and they really enjoy it. So that's basically it, just trying to spread the love a little bit. It does sort of hit my pocket a little harder when I'm just trying to show other people love, but them's the breaks. So nothing in that last Shining Fates. What do we got? So this is the first Chilling Reign out of this box. So let's see what we can get. Lairon, Peony, Spiral Energy, Snorunt. I don't think it's been out of focus the whole time, so that's excellent. Scorbunny, Grookey, Crabrawler, Clobberpuss, and a Holo Shaman. It's quite nice. I'm just going to do this one straight away because I really wanted to see what was in it. I only ordered one. I just tried to round out the order. Added one pack of Vivid Voltage to the end of it just to see how we go. It'd be really cool if we just got that Rainbow Chonkachu straight away. I've been chasing it. Kakuna, Moo Cheese, Sableye. Why does this keep being out of focus? Rockruff, Blitzel, Skiddo, Furseed, Beauty, and Furtress. I've got a Furseed and a Furtress. Really not liking how this is out of focus all the time, but we'll just keep going. We'll just see how we go. See, these code cards are around the wrong way automatically every time. 4 cards. I don't know. I'm really trying to get that some of those old art birds, because they're really quite good. Except for this, the centering on most of all of these cards have been pretty trash, but you know, we'll keep chasing it. And a Metagross V, and I'm pretty sure that might be the alternate art, which is pretty cool too. Yeah. So I've heard that the packs on these Chilling Reign have been not great, but I figured we'll just give them a go. I did buy a fair chunk of them, so I mean, we'll keep trying to hunt those alternate arts for as long as I can, for as long as they'll keep selling them to me, I guess. This is really bad. Venipede, Roltz, Aeron, Hatena, Castform, Yamask, and a Sawsbuck. Sorry about that. Lost the lighting. Cheap Kmart lighting. So maybe one day I'll be able to upgrade and get a little bit better. But anyway, let's press on. As I was saying, I'd love to get these alt art birds. I can't speak today. I've got that Moltres, but I think that I'd really like the Roadrunner too. The Roadrunner seems quite cool. Roadrunner is one of the other legendary birds. I can't remember which one, but it's one of them. Clobberpuss, Weedle, Galarian Slowpoke, Quillfish, Crushing Gloves, and Doug Trio. I have to start going a bit faster just in case these lights decide to stop again. Energy. Piona, Ledian, Doctor, Snowrunt, Crabrawler, Galarian. I was about to say Galarian Snova, but that's a Snova and that's a Galarian Slowpoke. Venipede, Craplocked, and Cacleon. He's not working with a lot of space here. Code cut. Agatha, Corellia, Seabolt, Blitzel, Lapras, Boosuit, Venipede, Roltz, Golett, and a Banette. Cold card. Hatterim, Expedition Uniform, Melanie, Swirlix, Porygon, Ladybug, Ghastly, Rockruff, Path to the Peak, and a Glade. Righto, so go. That'll teach me for my cheap Heiser. Right, where was I? I was going to say, it'd be interesting just to see if anyone who watches this, just to, you know, comment down below, tell me what your favorite Pokemon was, who your favorite Pokemon character was, or you know, favorite Pokemon memory even. Can be trading or, you know, school stuff or after school stuff. Tell me your best pulls. Interrupting this special broadcast for I'm an ass and I forgot to delete stuff off the iPhone, so the face camera stopped working. I am, however, going to put a little donkey in the corner and everyone can pretend that's me. We now return you to your regular broadcasting. Show me your best pulls, whatever you got to do. But be really interesting to see. Cast form and a Zero Aura V. That's quite nice too.
One eternity later.
Energy. At least one of these cameras could focus. It would be nice. Flannery, Snova, Cast Form, Roltz, Reap, Clobbopus, Weedle, and another Burnett. Crushing Gloves, Rugged Helmet, Stenny, Cubfu, Shuppet, Scorebunny, Diglett. And my lights have gone again. Sea Viper, Galarian Wheezing. This is just a cursed opening. I'm going to do 2 more packs because why the hell not? It's already been a failure this far. So let's get into it. I don't know. I've also been thinking about doing maybe a couple of Minecraft videos. Big Minecraft fan. So maybe I'll throw a couple of them in and see how they go as well. Just, you know, let me know what you think. If you think anything at all, I guess. Lavesta, Diglett, Furfrou, Bounsweet, Furfrou, and a holographic Gengar. I really love Gengar. I've just realized that this is a pretty good centering too, so not bad. All right, final pack, because I can't get the lights to stay on. I can't get cameras to stay on. The only thing that seems to be working is my new microphone, which is quite pleasing. But the rest of everything else doesn't work, so maybe next week we'll have some better luck with equipment. Let's see. Honey, Shrunk the Kids, Crushing Gloves, Whirlipede, Shuppet, Rockruff, Hatena, Shafeel, Cast Form, Blitzel, and a Gardevoir holographic. Not bad, not bad. Anyway. We'll just have a quick look at what we pulled out of those few packs that we did have. Would have loved to open more, but I can't trust my equipment. There goes the lights again. I'm gonna have to go buy some decent lights, I think. Anyway. So we got a Gengar Holo, Zero Aura, V. So Metagross V, I think that might be the alternate art, Shaman, and Shiny Ditto V, which is cool. But yeah, I'll be looking at the face camera now telling you that if you liked the video, make sure you hit a thumbs up, smash the like button, leave a comment below. Also, leave a comment below and tell me if you enjoyed the video and or if you want to share any of your favorite Pokemon stories. I'd love to hear them, and I'm sure other people would like to read about them. So, thanks. Cheers, friend. Cheers, friend. Cheers, friend. Who says cheers, friend? Peace.